Welcome back to MotorVision, the channel where innovation meets the open road. If you love staying ahead of the curve with the newest models, concept reveals, and next-generation upgrades, make sure you're subscribed because today we're diving into something truly exciting. After months of rumors, speculation, and leaked test mule shots, Ford has finally lifted the curtain. This is the all-new 2026 Ford Focus, a redesigned icon that's stepping into a new era with sharper styling, smarter tech, and a whole new driving attitude. Let's start with first impressions. The new 2026 Focus immediately tells you it's evolved. The front fascia is sleeker and more aerodynamic, with a slimmer LED lighting signature and a wider grille that gives the hatchback or sedan a confident stance. Ford didn't just update the design, they refined it to be more efficient, more modern, and unmistakably forward-looking. The sculpted sides create a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. And the new wheel designs bring a more athletic look across all trims. Under the hood, Ford has taken a smart approach. The 2026 Focus continues with efficient turbocharged engines, but this time they're optimized with next generation fuel mapping and hybrid support on select variants. Drivers can expect improved horsepower, better throttle response, and noticeably upgraded fuel economy. Ford is leaning heavily into eco-friendly performance, and the Focus stands out as one of their most well-balanced everyday drivers. For city commuters, road trip lovers, and small family buyers, this powertrain lineup hits the sweet spot. But step inside and the transformation becomes even more apparent. The 2026 Focus interior has taken a leap toward premium territory. You're greeted by a clean, driver-focused cockpit featuring a large, central touchscreen angled slightly toward the driver for easy control. The new digital instrument cluster is crisp, fluid, and fully customizable. Ambient lighting wraps seamlessly along the dash, the door panels, and even the center console, giving the cabin a futuristic glow during nighttime driving. Soft touch materials, contrast stitching, and redesigned seats make the entire space feel more upscale than previous generations. Ford has also doubled down on connectivity. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now come standard, along with an upgraded sync system that responds faster and offers deeper customization. USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and cloud-connected navigation make the Focus feel like a smart device on wheels. And for music lovers, Ford's premium audio option delivers rich, immersive sound that transforms your everyday commute into a rolling studio. Safety is one of the 2026 Focus's strongest categories. The model includes Ford's enhanced suite of driver assist features, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, traffic jam assist, blind spot detection, intersection monitoring, and a new 360-degree camera with active parking support. Ford wants the Focus to be one of the safest compact cars in its class, and it shows. Overall, the 2026 Ford Focus isn't just a refresh, it's a full-on evolution. Ford took what people loved about the Focus and built something smarter, sleeker, and more connected for the next generation of drivers. Whether you're a long-time Focus owner or someone searching for a practical and stylish daily driver, this new model may be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching MotorVision. If you enjoyed this first look breakdown of the 2026 Ford Focus, hit the like button, subscribe for more next generation reveals, and let us know in the comments if you want a full review when the model officially hits the streets. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next one.